There are really four key ways in which I think we have some advantage over other technologies and really over other companies delivering systems. First is our people. We have the most proven experience in the industry. Our team of some 50 technicians, engineers, designers, and other really are the heart and soul of the Ovivo MBR team. And all that is really important when you're trying to not only design a system, but start up and commission and support a system. So it's not just about our people, that's the most important aspect I think of Ovivo MBR. It's also in terms of the technology, just getting back to the module, it's customizable, so the unit design itself can be customized to meet the needs of each individual project. The technology really is the only one to have a solution for that dewatering or clogging that we talked about out there. So in that way, it's the most reliable, and in terms of uptime, it offers the highest uptime at 99% or so as compared to some others. And finally, what I didn't mention earlier is that in May, Ovivo opened up the MBR Knowledge Center in Austin, Texas. And that's really where it's a combined design center and training facility where we bring in both engineers, owners, and operators to talk about the design of their facility up front, but we also bring in operators to train them during commissioning and after, and that's unique in the industry. No one has that. We can do hands-on training, provide presentations, and really get into the details of how to run an MBR system. And then right adjacent to that facility is the microdyne membrane manufacturing plant, where they make the equipment for the US market. In fact, in that 20,000 square foot facility, they can produce about 90 million gallons per day of treatment capacity in a year in terms of membrane modules and equipment. So that no one else has that in the US market. No one else has that capability or capacity.